Alright, now it's time to assemble your tassels. The tassel guide will be your best friend during this process, so be sure to have it close by. Start by cutting a 30-inch piece of insulation wire. Use your needle nose pliers to form a dime-sized loop at one end of the wire. Following your tassel guide, begin feeding your spheres and cuffs onto the wire from the opposite end. Take your time here to be sure everything is going on in the right order. A quick note, small tassel assembly follows the same process, excluding the canvas spheres. See the tassel guide for details. Once all of your components are in place, go ahead and create a second small loop at the top of the wire, snug against the top sphere. Now take your mop head and attach it to the bottom loop using a zip tie. Pull the zip tie until the mop head is snug against the canvas sphere. Once everything is connected, hang your assembled tassel on the rolling rack for the final steps. Take your large cuff and wrap it around the underside of the large sphere, gluing it firmly into place. Finally, cover the cuff with 5 mop strands, gluing at the start and end of each one. Be sure any glue and seams are hidden to preserve a clean and polished look. And just like that, your tassel is fully assembled and ready for installation.